Student, last time we did board mass procedure to solve any mathematical operation, that is our B4 bracket power, that is our step number 2, and you will be called exponent, and third one is division, next is multiplication, addition and subtraction. You have see here that some mathematical symbols are represent this board mass, that is our also called bad mass. So students, this is your mathematical operators and also a calculation order whenever you want to solve mathematical statement or expression in Microsoft Excel. Now it's time to discuss a new topic, that is our work with percentage. On page number 122, you can see here that working with percentage is a little bit tricky. Pay attention and pretty soon everything will be clear. See here students, here is your percentage x, which is denote that is given quantity, n is the total amount, and if you solve this x and n, divide and then multiply by 100, you will be get a percentage of the quantity compared to the total. Now see here, I will calculate some percentage regarding your numbers, like if we have and if we get 570 numbers out of 850, and if you want to calculate a percentage, you just follow these steps. Because x is your given quantity and n is the total number, then now you can press equal sign before whenever you putting any formula in your Microsoft Excel. It is necessary to put before equal sign, otherwise it will not calculate your expression and any equation. So first you have to select this one, that is our x, this is our given quantity and your obtained marks. Then slash means you can divide these numbers by total, that is our 850, the total amount and total number, and then multiply by 100. You can use asterisk sign for multiplication and then insert 100, press enter, and you will get the percentage. Here you can see clearly 67.0588, that is percentage of both numbers. Understand? This is a very simple and very easy method that you will perform in Microsoft Excel whenever you want to solve any percentage. And like this, we have a water surface area, that is in kilometer square, land surface area in kilometer square. We have to add both numbers at first. Now press equal sign before, then select this one, insert plus sign for addition, then select another number, that is land surface area, and press enter. You will get the sum of both numbers, that is here. Understand? I will add both numbers by sum or addition formula, and here is your formula bar. You can see that how many numbers and how you will add both numbers. Now it's time to understand that how we can get a percentage. Now click here, press equal sign first, then select this number, because in this number this is our given number, because we want to calculate this percentage. So first we will select that number. Now press slash sign, that is for division, then the total amount that is our n here, and multiply by 100. So static key will be used for multiplication. Now press 100 and then enter. You will get 70% here of water surface area. Now again we will find percentage of land surface area, equal sign, then select this value, that is our given quantity, then press slash sign and then select a total amount, that is our n, multiply by 100. Now you will get a land surface area percentage. Press enter. Understand, students? So this percentages will show in front of you a 70%, that is our water surface area, and the land surface area 29%. You can change the value displayed from a decimal number to a percentage by applying the percentage format. Microsoft Excel multiples and multiplies the cell by 100 and display the result with the percentage sign. So here is your another way to get percentage and find percentage with a percent style. Now I will do it again in a different style, that is our percentage style. Now click on this cell, equal sign, press equal sign before putting the formula, then select the first number slash select the second number. Now we will get a division between both numbers. Go to percent style, that is our percentage style. We can call it percent style, and the shortcut of this option is Control plus Shift plus percent symbol. Now press it. Now you will see here we will find percentage with a percent symbol. You can increase a decimal points like that. Understand, students? This is the another way that you will find a percentage with a percent symbol. Now click again on that number and that cell too. See, I press equal sign, then I select that number divided by a total, then I press enter. Now click again on that number and go to percent style. See here, you will find a 29% and increase a decimal points after point. Okay, students? Students, this is another way that you will get a percentage with a percent symbol. I hope you will understand this. If you want to perform this method or technique, you will follow on page number 122, that is, click the cell and type both cells number and then click on cell and then insert both numbers, and you will get a percentage with a percent symbol. You can add also percentage by clicking a percent style button in the number group, and also we here a number tab. This is our percentage style here. Sample is here, and you can set the decimal places 2, 3, 4, which is up to you. It's look like that. Okay, understand? So here we have 3 decimal points after a decimal. Now we can apply this percentage, another percentage method to this both values. Now see here, first of all you have to press equal sign, then select a given quantity divided by total number, that is 850. Select this cell and then press enter. Now go to number tab and then here is a percentage option. Here is your sample. Now you can add decimal places 5, 3, 4 and 2 and press OK. Now you will get a percent symbol with a percentage and up to 2 decimal points. Understand, students? I hope you will clear this topic very easily. Now comes to another topic, that is our calculate a power. Here are some activity regarding calculating power in Microsoft Excel. The first method is to add a power manually. Now page number 123. The power functions return the result of a number raised to a given power. Type the following text as it is below, like base is 12, 3, 5, and what about this? Power 2, 5, 2. Now calculate the power. If you want to add power, click cell number G6, that is our G6. You can see here, this is our cell number G6. Now click on it, then type a formula of power, but before using that formula you can press equal sign before. Now select E6, that is our base, then use caret sign. You can use shift plus 6, it will be show. Now select another, that is our power, cell number F6. Okay, now press enter. You will get a power 144, that is exactly same which is given in your book as well. Now repeat the steps for cell number G7 and G8. Now take a look. Press equal sign before, then select a base first, then shift plus 6, it will be give you a caret sign, that is using for power. Now you will select another cell, that is our power cell, and then press enter. You will get another result. Repeat the same steps for G8. Equal sign, select base first, insert caret sign, then select power and press enter key. You will get the third result of that numbers. Understand? This is a very simple and very easy formula whenever you want to calculate or add power in your cell in Microsoft Excel. Understand, students? Here 144, 243 and 25. Formula will be shown in the formula bar. Now see here, we can use another function, that is our power function. This is another type whenever you want to find power of any function. So I will repeat that numbers again here, and we can insert it a power function here. See, you can use function power in parenthesis x comma y instead of using a caret symbol. First of all, remember this is another type of using power function whenever you get a power in your Microsoft Excel. Press equal sign, then type power. Here you can use a parenthesis, that is our number and power. See here, now select this one, then press comma and the power, that is 2, and close the bracket and insert right parenthesis, press enter key. Now you will get the same result using power function. So follow these steps again. I repeat, equal sign, then write power function, open bracket, select base first, then comma, and the second one is power. Close the bracket and press enter key. Here is your second result. I repeat it for the third step, that is our 5 and 2, between 5 and 2. Now write power again, open bracket, select the base first, comma, then the power, and close the bracket, press enter key. Now you will get the third result, that is 25. All results are same, but we are using different techniques to add power and using power function in our Microsoft Excel. So students, understand this. How can we calculate power in Microsoft Excel? This is a really easy. You can follow these steps and to get a power in Microsoft Excel. Now it's time for a hand-on activity, that is our home task, that is on page number 123. Students, your school made a research to find which is the most interesting lesson for students. In the questionnaire below, you can see the words of each lesson. You can see here physics 192, mathematics 100, English literature 178, history 52, chemistry 100. Now you can solve using the Microsoft Excel program. Type the text and numbers as they are shown in the worksheet below. Fill the empty cell with the appropriate formula and format cells B6 up to F6 with a percentage symbol. See here, first of all you have to add all the words here. Click equal sign. Then this is another way. If you want to add more than one number, you can follow these steps. Write sum here and using inserting a left parenthesis and select all the numbers here if you want to sum, and then close the bracket and press enter. So this is the another way. If you want to sum more than one number, you will get a addition here. Now we will find a physics percentage. Follow these steps. Equal sign, then you can select a physics words divided by, we can insert a slash key and divided by a total, then press enter. Now go to, first you select the cell first, then go to percent style and you will get a percentage with a percent symbol, and increase decimal points. It's up to you and up to your requirement. Now you can follow these steps on this mathematics for mathematics, English literature, history and chemistry too. This is your home task. You can solve in your Microsoft Excel. So I hope you will clear all the topic today, and if you have any query students, you can follow my APS Mohsin Ahmed Siddiquei YouTube channel and also APS Mohsin Ahmed Siddiquei Facebook page that is specially made for you. And if you have any query, you can send me a query or problem in my WhatsApp number too. I will be there for you, and inshallah I will solve your query or problem. So that's all from my side students. Take care and practice at your home. Thank you.